Hello Dollar General friends. In this video I'm going to show you visuals of two different categories, but both of them have green clovers, which makes this pretty darn confusing. There is green clover baking items and green clover home goods items that are 50% off right now. I'm recording this on August 27th, so they're currently 50% off. And they will be ringing up an additional 50% off during the clearance event from August 30th through September 2nd. So that will make these items 75% off the original price. All of the items in this video will eventually go down to 70% off, then 90% off, and then they will eventually penny out. But what makes it extra confusing is these two categories have green clovers, but there's several other categories in the store that also have green clovers on the price tag right now. They have a Fiesta wear set. It's got a bunch of kind of taco night party type items that has green clovers. That's full price right now. There's also a category of summer ice cream themed party supplies. A lot of stuff that has fruit on it or has ice cream cones on it that has a green clover. Those items are still ringing up full price. And there is a category of red, white, and blue barbecue cookout themed supplies that has got green clovers on the price tag that is also ringing up full price. And there's also some NCI home categories that have green clovers on them. So what I'm saying is, make sure if you're wanting some of the green clover items that are marked down in this video, you're definitely going to want to use the app on your phone. You're going to want to make sure you are logged in to the correct store, the correct location of where you're at, and you're going to want to use the barcode scanner at the top of the screen to scan the items that you're wanting to purchase to make sure that they are a part of the clearance, because there's so many items that don't really make too much sense right now because they also have a green clover. Usually they do different categories and they give them different colored shapes, different colored dots, something on the price tag to let you easily figure out what it is. But for some reason, Dollar General decided to put out 5 different summary type categories with green clovers on the price tag. And only 2 of those categories are already ringing up on sale. It's a very odd thing that they have chosen to do. You can kind of tell with the tags on the baking items. They all have kind of this greenish blue stripes around the tag that tells you what stuff it is, what item it is. That kind of helps you tell that it's a part of the green clover baking stuff that's on sale. And the other category that is ringing up 50% off already, the green clover home good items, they kind of all have blue tags with green clovers on them. That kind of helps you a little bit to figure out which one is which without using your app. But seriously, there's so many items and so many different things that are or are not on sale that using your app to scan is just going to be the best way to figure this stuff out. I just figured we needed an extra video showing all these items in case anybody wants to look for them while they're ringing up 75% off during the clearance event. Like I said, they're currently 50% off, but with the additional 50% off during the clearance event, that makes them ring up 75% off the original price. All of these items that you're seeing now to the end of the video are the home good items. As you see at the top, it's got blue. That's the easiest way to kind of spot these. And then they've got a little tiny green clover hiding next to the $1 price tag. But all of these items are $1. So they're currently ringing up 50 cents. And during the clearance event, they will be ringing up 25 cents each. There are a lot of useful things in this home good kind of category. So there are a few things I might actually try to pick up this weekend while they're 25 cents. I will say, if you're looking for these items, you're most likely to find them mixed in with the summer stuff, where they have all the green dot home goods, and the pink square toys, and the yellow dot accessories, all the summer stuff. That's where all of this stuff is probably still hanging out on the seasonal aisle. I haven't seen stores really find anywhere else to move these items if they still have them in stock. I'm not going to talk over the rest of this video. I'm just going to turn on some music. Feel free to turn it down and just watch to see the visuals. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out and you find some great deals this week. And until next time, bye.